Good evening, guys. It's your boy CryptoJax. You know how we do it. Every day we show you various opportunities in the crypto space to help you succeed. Guys, the crypto space is a space that needs to be paid attention to if you must succeed. And that is why you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get all these updates on a daily basis, right? So I got two questions from two of my subscribers who asked me. The first question was, how can they purchase Deskit token? And the second question is, the recent updates in terms of cryptocurrency trading, in terms of the market capitalization. Is it advisable to start trading crypto the way you trade traditional forex markets? So I'm going to be dealing with these two questions in a few minutes. Now, for those asking how they can buy Deskit, Deskit we know is a token, attached with a decentralized exchange, all right, which is Dexwap, right? So in my previous video, I talked about the importance of getting yourself some Deskit token. Okay, so you can go back to my previous video and watch why you should get Deskit token. The reason is simple. Regulations, cryptocurrency regulations is heating up across Europe and the Americas. And once Biden takes his seat, SEC chairman has already said that one of the first things that they're going to be doing is to ensure that they implement serious cryptocurrency regulation. And when that begins to happen, they will begin to give pressure to various major exchanges that we know, okay, in terms of maybe increasing their KYC policy standards, and other regulations that will actually discourage a lot of traders. So most traders will want to trade, will want to move their funds from those exchanges to where they think it is safe. All right, and the best option that is available right now is decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, for instance. But now we have Deskit, which is partnering with Bitswap, all right, an alternative of Uniswap, but with a better, slippage and with a better gas fee whenever you're swapping. So you get more value here than what you get on Uniswap. And another good thing about Deskit is that Deskit has its own decentralized exchange that looks just exactly like a traditional public exchange. Okay, so even though it is decentralized, you can do virtually everything you can do on Binance, on Sector.io, on Poloniex. You can do it on Deskit exchange. This is still the demo version of this exchange, but in a couple of weeks, it's going to be fully ready for trading. Now, everything you can do on Binance, for instance, here, you can do it on Deskit decentralized exchange. But the difference between that of Binance and that of Deskit is that for Binance, you need to register, you need to do KYC policy and a whole lot before you can be able to trade, and be able to withdraw some certain amount of money. But for Deskit, this is a decentralized exchange, which is not controlled from any central server, but the community, who are utilizing this exchange. The same way you can buy and sell on Binance, you can do the same here. As you can see, you can place your orders, you can, place your pending orders, and everything you can do as a traditional trader. So now, why should you pay attention to Deskit token? Because once the regulations start hitting up, people are going to shift their funds into decentralized exchanges. And that's when you're going to see huge volume come into Deskit. Currently, we have just a market cap of $752,000, right? The volume is yet to come in. But this is the time you need to grab some Deskit token. And the maximum supply is just 10 million. So you can watch my previous video to get more updates on that. Now I'm going to talk about how you can buy some. Now, when you scroll up a little, you will see that we have four major exchanges where you can buy here, even though you can buy on Uniswap. You can buy it on Moniswap, Kit/ETH. You can also buy it on Bilaxy. These are other decentralized exchanges that most of us know. We have Balancer. You can buy Kit token on Balancer. You can buy it on Uniswap. Now, if I want to buy on Uniswap, just click on it and attach your external wallet. Example, like your Google Chrome, like your Coinbase wallet, So let's go to Bitswap and see how we can swap our ETH for KIT token. Okay, so now I already have my MetaMask wallet. For some of us who don't have a MetaMask wallet, for you to get a MetaMask wallet, all you need to do is come to Google and type MetaMask Chrome, right? So once you type MetaMask Chrome, the first icon, the first link that comes up, you just click on it and it's going to take you, if you're using Google Chrome, remember the browser must be Google Chrome. So if you're using Google Chrome and you don't have MetaMask attached to your Google Chrome browser, it's going to ask you to add it as an extension to to your browser. So you add it as an extension. Then it will ask you if you want to recover your MetaMask wallet or you want to create a new wallet. Just choose to create a new wallet. Make sure you write down your passphrase, your 12-word phrase, because if you happen to maybe format your system and you have to reinstall the operating system when you download a new Google Chrome browser, you're going to need your password, your 12-word phrase to recover your MetaMask wallet. If you can't find your password phrase, if you for any reason lose access to your browser, you will not be able to recover your funds. So the MetaMask wallet is a 100% decentralized wallet. So you manage it. You have access to your private key. So it's going to ask you to write it down. Make sure you write it down, right? As you can see, MetaMask has over 1 million users plus 1 million users. Okay. So once you have your MetaMask attached, MetaMask is just an Ethereum web wallet. So when you open your MetaMask, if you don't have Ethereum, you can buy Ethereum. When you're buying, you can buy by just copying your account, your wallet address, which is your Ethereum wallet address, and you send it to whoever you want to buy Ethereum from. Now, once you have your Ethereum, once your Ethereum is sent, it's going to appear here. For instance, you can see there's 0.027 Ethereum here. So now you want to swap your Ethereum to your Bitswap, to HIT token, sorry, on Bitswap Exchange, on Bitswap decentralized exchange, right? So what you're going to do is when you connect to any decentralized exchange, the first thing it's going to tell you is to connect your wallet. We have various options, all right? We have MetaMask wallet and we have other options too. I can show you, for instance, if I don't want to use this MetaMask wallet, I can start to use my Coinbase wallet, right? Let's see, just a minute. Let me refresh. Okay, so here we go. Now I have my MetaMask wallet here. So I have my MetaMask wallet connected to my Bitswap exchange right now. Okay, so as this is connected, if I want to change it to another wallet, maybe I have a Coinbase wallet where I have Ethereum and I don't want to use MetaMask, I'll just come here and click on change. Just click on it and click on change, and it's going to give me the options. The Formatic wallet can be connected to Bitswap, Coinbase wallet can be connected, and also Wallet Connect can be connected. So, but I prefer to use MetaMask because it's more easy and very, very simple to use. So once my MetaMask is connected, the next thing is to swap my Ethereum, which I bought from whatever. Okay, and don't forget you can buy Ethereum from Bitswap. This is an additional, an additional service which you can't even get on Uniswap or any other decentralized exchange. So with your fiat, you can buy Ethereum. Okay, you can buy Ethereum straight and it will be sent straight to your MetaMask wallet, which you have connected to your Bitswap token with your Bitswap exchange. You can see you can use your pounds, you can buy using pound and major fiat currencies. You can buy Ethereum with any fiat currencies across the world. Those are some of the advantages of Bitswap exchange. You can get this on Uniswap or any other exchange, right? So guys, the volume is going to come here. The volume is going to come here. Once traders begin to look for the centralized exchange to hedge their funds in, then everything about Bitswap is going to blow, guys. So don't joke with it. So now when we have our ETH connected, now if you want to, so for some of us who are just installing this thing newly, you might be finding it difficult trying to locate the key token. Sometimes when you type it on the on the search box, on the search token, it doesn't come out, right? So what you need to do is to go to CoinMarketCap and look for the Explorer, which is where you can, where on the Etherscan, where KIT token transactions are being processed. Now, this is the smart contract address of KIT, all right? So copy the smart contract address, any other decentralized, any other token that you want that has been listed on any decentralized exchange. The best way to find it is to go to the blockchain where it is being recorded or traded, all right? The blockchain where it's being processed, where transaction is being processed, copy the smart contract address and then paste it on the decentralized exchange. For instance, this is a smart contract address of Deskit. So I'm just going to copy it. And then I come here. Now let's assume I didn't have this kit. So I just click here on the search. You can see search name or paste address. I just right click and paste the address that I copied, the smart contract address that I copied from Etherscan. So automatically it brings out that token. So I can decide to add this kit token to my list of token. I just added it. So it's going to appear here. So now I want to swap my Ethereum to my kit. So just click on maximum or any amount I want to swap. If I don't want to swap all the Ethereum into kit, I can just, maybe I want to use 0.025. All right. So it's going to show me the amount of kit token that I'm going to get, right? I can just click on swap. And if once I confirm it, it's going to ask me to, it's going to swap it automatically. So right now, as soon as this is done, what it means is that I've used my Ethereum to buy the kit token. So as the price here is increasing, automatically the value in dollars of my kit is also increasing. All right. And I can always come back and check out the value of the kit in USD. And for me to do that, all you need to do is I'll just move this arrow up. This is my kit. And I'm going to search for USDT, right? So when I have USDT, if I have my kit token, just click on the maximum kit token that you have, and you will see the exact value in dollars there waiting for you. Okay, so for instance, here, if I have some bit token here. So here is my this bit token. This bit token is about 11,077. So if I want to know the current value of this bit token in dollars, just click on USDT. Then I wait. You see, it's currently worth $873, 11,077 how 11,077 bits token. All right. So another good thing about kit token is that once you buy your kit token, you can even decide to, stake it and begin to mine Ethereum with it. For example, if you look at the staking option here, all right, I have a couple of kits there. You can see those are the pools that are available. The kit ETH pool. I'm actually part of this pool, and I'm getting about 0.015 wrapped ETH per week. So when you stake your kit token, even though the price here is going up, you're still gonna earn just by staking it in the pool. Okay, in the kit ETH pool. So what it means is that as people are buying kit token by swapping Ethereum to kit, the fees that they are paying, you're going to be receiving some reward from those fees because you are contributing to the network. That is how decentralized exchanges work. Everybody participating on the network is actually contributing. And there are people who also stake tokens, some amount of token in the pool in order to ensure that there's enough liquidity to be able to swap tokens as fast as possible with a minimal fee, right? So you can see I already have about 0.018 Ethereum to claim if I want to claim it, but I don't really need to do that right now. I want it to keep reading. So total stake kit token is about 276,000 USD, right? So this Bitswap is giving out 1 ETH per week to everybody who have staked here. You can see I'll be getting 0.0153 every week. So while your kit is generating Ethereum for you, your kit's value itself is still growing, and you can decide to, withdraw your kit anytime and swap it to whatever you want. So guys, that is the first question. The second question is it profitable to trade in the crypto space? Guys, this is a time to pay close attention to cryptocurrency trading. Most people have been trading forex for years, and the forex is a highly manipulated market controlled by whales and Wall Street sharks. Everything you see in the forex market, most of them are all manipulations. Nothing is real, guys. But with the crypto space, let's assume even if you're not that experienced and you place the trade. Let's assume you're doing spot trading, for instance, and you buy some token, and maybe the price drops a little. So long as you're holding that asset, the price appreciates later, your money is still there for you. But that's not the case in the forex market. The forex market is one of the most traded markets because of the market capitalization. The forex market turnover every day is almost to a tune of 5 to 7 trillion USD globally. And the forex market is the market that is owned by the major banks of the world, the controllers of the fiat system. All right. Okay. So they manipulate this market at the expense of the poor masses who trade with them. Okay. So, but in the crypto space, you're buying an asset, all right, which is likely going to appreciate in value over time. Okay. So, with a whooping market capitalization of over 1 trillion USD, in the crypto market, this is the time to trade cryptos the same way you trade forex, because now there is enough liquidity in the market. Unlike before, when the entire crypto space market capitalization was around, I think it was around 300 billion. Sometimes it came down to 100 billion plus. So there was no enough liquidity. There was no enough liquidity in the crypto space. And that is why those times when you place a trade on exchanges like Binance, for instance, the coin will just be moving in a very sluggish manner for days, for weeks. Nothing is really moving because there is no enough liquidity. But now that the crypto market is getting almost a market capitalization of trillions, you know, we have about 1.4 trillion right now. This is huge, guys. So now there is enough liquidity in the crypto space, and this is the time to trade the crypto market the same way that you trade the forex market. Just understand how to buy and how to sell, when to get out and when to stay in the market. Honestly, if you understand this truth, you are you are good to go. You will make so much in the crypto space. Don't just buy a token and keep like that. You need to know when to maximize the profits that you've made in that token, and when to stay out, and when to buy lower so that you can get even more. That is why you need to learn how to trade. And that is why we teach you how to trade on Jex Crypto Exchange platform. If you click on the link that which I'm going to drop on this video, we're going to teach you how to read this market, guys. You can see, for instance, the market moved all the way from this price. Look at Ethereum USDT, right? It moved all the way from 1,069 USD all the way now to 1,298, and now it's finding its way down. Every intelligent trader knows that this is the longest wave, guys. The same Elliott wave pattern repeating all the time. But if you're not a good trader, you will never understand these things, guys. So this is wave one, this is wave two, this is wave three, this is wave four. This is the longest wave as far as this pattern is concerned. Elliott wave always come. So this is our A, the first pulling down. This is B at this top, and this is C, guys. If this market does not revise here, which is at level 4, if it doesn't revise here, guys, it's coming down to this price. Ethereum might, if Ethereum breaks this bridge right now, if it breaks this bridge at 1,208, guys, the price is going to drop to 1,158 before there could be any kind of reversal. So what do you do as a trader? You get out of the market. You get out. Once you see the signs, you get out. You wait until it drops lower, and then you buy again. You get more Ethereum and you get more profit, guys. So try and join our crypto trading program. All right. And to do that is very simple. Just go to our website and go to jexcryptoexchange.com and check on our services. We have the fiat, the crypto/fiat education. Simply go through our basic course outline. These are the basic things that you're going to learn as a beginner in the crypto space, right? Now you click on this link and fill the form. Simply fill the form. Once you fill the form, our support team, we have our support team in Africa, we have our support team in Europe. So they're going to take care of you and ensure that you join our training program and begin your journey towards harnessing, the crypto market. Now, look at what is going on in Ethereum. Everybody knows that this bridge is going to break, right? The market is breaking the bridge. So long as this bridge, the price level of 1,208 is broken, guys, forget it. Ethereum is coming down to 1,157. That's how it works. So you can decide to place a limit order that to enter this market as soon as it touches 1,156, because in a couple of an hour or thereabout, Ethereum is going to drop to this level. So if you're not a good trader and you don't understand the market, you just hang on here and lose all the profit that you've made while the market moved all the way from here. So you need to learn these things, guys. So take advantage of this key token projects. Understand that this is the time to learn how to trade the crypto space the same way that you trade the forex market. If you have been trading the forex market before, simply bring in your same technical analysis and trade the crypto space like a pro. Guys, that is the best thing to do now. So I'm going to be ending it here for tonight, and I wish to see you in my next video. Thank you.